what motivates you to be in this legal profession and to try for the client?
I really like the political science and the civil society of the of India or the nation. So that is why I was like, I maybe want to go for law itself, and no other stream or field really interested.
Like, will you see Geetali in future to be a civil service or IAS, IPS?
Maybe law would be a better choice to
Right.
think of, and maybe I'd redirect myself to civil services later.
फ्यूचर का जो क्लैट एस्पिरेंट्स हो उनको आप बता सकते हो कि कौन सी टॉपिक को ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, फोकस करना है to crack the CLAT exam?
To start off with the most important topics and the topics which will have a lasting impact, not just one or two, but a lasting impact over the course of the years, or will have a impact on not just one but many fields. Mock test is the key. So I guess I attempted more than 50 definitely. ये मेरे मम्मा पापा और मेरे भाई ने सभी ने मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया. उन्होंने मेरे को जो इमोशनल सपोर्ट जो मुझे चाहिए था वो प्रोवाइड किया, क्योंकि एक बार बहुत ऐसा होता था कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम, बहुत डिफिकल्ट मॉक टेस्ट हो गया, या फिर मेरा रैंक इतना अच्छा नहीं आया. डेफिनेटली बी बैंगलोर NLSIU because it's the top most law college of India.
Right.
So everyone dreams to be there. So why not NLSIU?
So what's your take on social media and how you take social media?
लगभग मिड ईयर तक मैं सोशल मीडिया पे थी. आई वोंट लाई अबाउट दैट. बट उसके बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, अब थोड़ा सा मेरे को अपना ध्यान ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा क्लैट की तरफ, वरना आई वुडंट बी एबल टू क्रैक इट.
आपने धुरंधर के गाने सुना, डैंस भी किए?
यस यस.
Hi Geetali, welcome to India TV.
गुड इवनिंग सर, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
Yeah. So first of all, congratulations for your success.
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर.
आज थोड़ा थोड़ा लग रहे, मतलब इसमें भारी लग रहे हो. उस दिन जो वीडियो हमने देखे थे बड़ा इमोशनल, एकदम बस सोशल मीडिया स्टार बन गए थे.
I know, sir. It was a really emotional moment, and that's why I guess it was a very natural reaction at that point of time.
Hmm. Okay. So Geetali, how you like? Did you anticipate that you will get such a good result in your exam because video was made by your institute? So can you just elaborate that day what happened? कैसे हुआ सब कुछ और कैसे आपका इमोशन था, पापा अपनी फैमिली वाले के साथ क्या क्या हुआ था, ये जो रिएक्शंस?
So actually, I had matched my answers with the provisional answer key. So I was expecting a really good score, and like we were all expecting the result to be out anytime soon because the final answer key was already released, and since there
Right.
was no real change after the provisional answer key and the final answer key, so it was expected that the result would be anytime soon. Especially there was a window of 7 to 8 p.m. given at most platforms, and that's why I was expecting the result. And soon I was on my phone when I got the notification that the result is out. So I instantly ran to the temple in my house, and I was like, it should be me who sees the result first. So I instantly logged in into my account, and my brother was like, he knew that I would be getting a good result because the score, I had my score calculated before. So he was like, let me capture this moment, whatever it will be a memory for the family. That's why he
Right.
started recording. And like after I was done, I logged in. The emotion is there in the video. And then later, just to show my result on the better screen, he logged in into my the computer, the laptop, and that's when it's
So
shown.
your brother actually captured the video.
Yes, sir. It was my brother.
Acha. Acha. So when you started preparing for the CLAT, and what motivates you to be in this legal profession and to aspire for the CLAT, to
Uh,
take CLAT?
Actually, I started having a real interest in CLAT and law as a field back in ninth and 10th because I realized that I really love persuading people, debating, talking, and like I really like the political science and the civil society of the of India or the nation. So that is why I was like, I maybe want to go for law itself, and no other stream or field really interested me. It was law which had my eye from the start, and that's why I decided I would be going for law. So I started preparing back in 11th in my school, Noske Public School, in competitive cell. I guess people from Sri Ganganagar will know it. And I prepared my foundation there. And back in February this year, I joined Legal Edge and I started preparing there as well on the in the online medium like distance education. So I was doing both my schooling as per the CBSE guidelines because that is mandatory as well, and balancing my online coaching by doing the mock tests in school whenever I get free periods, or just revising whatever is done in school by the classes given online. So yeah, it was going on simultaneously.
इसमें एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, जैसे as you said कि you have interest in political science, right? And lots of civil service aspirants or the UPSC toppers, UPSC who joined IS, they have a like they love political science, they have humanities background. So will you like will you see Geetani in future to be a civil service or IS IPS?
Maybe. That's not very clear as of now, because I wanted to try out something really different as well, but something of my
Mhm.
interest. That's why I thought maybe law would be a better choice to
Right.
start off, and maybe I'd redirect myself to civil services later.
Now let's come back to your preparation strategy in details. So can you tell me like how much time you devoted for the preparation and what was your success mantra? Because lots of future class aspirants also want to know from you how you prepared. Yeah.
My success mantra was just being consistent and being relaxed while I study. And for that, I was properly mentored by my school and my teachers there, whether it be our Sudan sir, who is our managing director in school, or be it our
Mm-hmm.
teachers like Jyoti Rajput ma'am, or my online mentors in Legal Edge like Utkar sir. So like they made sure I had a proper schedule. Whatever I was doing, I'd contact my mentors, and they would guide me whether or not it would be fruitful. I decide for myself whether this thing is really needed by me, or am I already done with it, or like do I really wish to do it, because there were some topics which are really difficult for me, and even
Mm-hmm.
they were a bit of important. I thought it would be better if I do not do it, because I wasn't really maybe ready to do them, or maybe I felt like it wouldn't be really fruitful for me. So yes, I was in constant interaction with my mentors, and I did what I felt would be the most fruitful, and which would give me actual knowledge and not mere rote learning.
राइट, इसमें एक पॉइंट बताओ, जैसे क्लैट प्रिपरेशन आपने किए थे, ठीक है ना? तो कौन सी टॉपिक तुमको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगा? एंड जो फ्यूचर का जो क्लैट एस्पिरेंट्स हो, उनको आप बता सकते हो कि कौन सी टॉपिक को ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, फोकस करना है टू क्रैक द क्लैट एग्जाम?
The section I'd say which was the most difficult was obviously GK, because it's a really, really vast section,
हम्म.
and you cannot be sure of what comes in the exam because it's really, really unpredictable.
ठीक है.
So my advice to all of them would be to start off with the most important topics, and the topics which will have a lasting impact, not just one or
हम्म.
two, but a lasting impact over the course of the years, or will have a impact on not just one but many fields. So maybe prepare those, but do not exactly ignore the less important topics, because the consortium loves to throw out googly balls. So you do not
राइट.
know what will come your way. So prepare as much as you can, but only focus on what your heart tells you to do. Do not go around doing everything just because everyone is doing it.
राइट. इस बार क्लैट पेपर कैसे थे और कौन से सेक्शन डिफिकल्ट लगा?
This time the CLAT exam was, I'd say it was completely unexpected and very different from the previous year
हम्म.
ones, because even last year, the analytical set which came in the logical reasoning section was a surprise ball. Because from many years, consortium has not given out any analytical reasoning question in the logical section. I guess since COVID
राइट.
time hasn't been any. And this
हम्म.
the entire logical reasoning section was almost analytical reasoning. So it was
हम्म.
definitely a curveball, but by God's grace, I really, really found the logical reasoning section easy, and I actually like analytical reasoning. So it wasn't
हम्म.
really difficult for me. Definitely, it was a surprise element, and I was taken aback, but I guess I managed to calm myself down. I remembered my mentor's words, and I was like, okay, I need to get through this smoothly, otherwise, I'll crack the whole paper.
Right. There are like lots of toppers say that sample papers and mock tests really help them. What was your take on sample papers and mock tests?
The sample papers did resemble the actual paper in most aspects. Of course, there were many curveballs as well, but I'd say that those curveballs is what made this exam different from the sample
Mhm.
paper, because everyone was doing really, really good in sample paper. Had the exam been a ditto copy, or like very based on the pattern of the sample paper, it would have been a really easy exam. And then even if someone would have got a really good result, the fruit wouldn't be as sweet or as interesting, because everyone would have found the paper easy, everyone would have prepared according to the sample paper. So having those curveballs made it really more interesting. But yes, I wouldn't say that the paper was very different from the sample paper, but there were sufficient differences.
Okay. And mock test regarding
Mock tests
how
do.
much mock test you attempted? Yeah, before the
Uh,
exam.
so I do not really have a count of how many
Yeah.
I did, because
Right.
I
Mm-hmm.
almost tried to attempt
Yeah.
every mock test that I could give, because mock test is the key. So
Mm-hmm.
I guess I attempted more than 50, definitely. The number could be way higher, but I'm not really sure. But I guess it was the mock test which gave me the confidence. All things aside, it was the confidence that mock test gave me, because they would be the hardest of the exams and the easiest of the mock tests that I have given. So it made me realize how important it is to calm down, because once you are in a stable mindset, it's all easy to do. If you're not in the right mindset, even the hardest of the exams will make you fall, and the easiest of the exams will also make you
Right.
fall if you do not do it properly, or if you're not calm enough to do it.
Right. Apart from the tutorials provided by your institute and the other materials, did you follow, because lots of students nowadays follow online materials, materials provided in the YouTube or something like that. So, did you also follow online materials, YouTube things?
So actually, my institute was providing a lot of material already, so
Hmm.
I didn't really skim through other materials. But of course, I went through the online material on YouTube of my institute, and other previous year topper interviews, etc. Because that's very motivating as it is. So yes, I did go through. Some of the material on available online on YouTube, like the videos by my institute, which was recommended by the teachers as most important ones, but mostly I referred to my own material from the institute.
राइट. पढ़ाई में जो बच्चे सक्सेस करते हैं, पापा मम्मी घर वालों का बहुत सपोर्ट होता है. पापा मम्मी और जैसे तुम्हारा भाई है, कैसे तुमको बूस्ट किया, कैसे सपोर्ट किया? ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ टफ एग्जाम, वॉट एवर द एग्जाम, लाइक बोर्ड एग्जाम्स और एनी एंट्रेंस. पापा मम्मी का मोटिवेशन के बारे में बोलो, और इस बार हम थोड़ा हिंदी में सुनना चाहेंगे तुम्हारे तुम्हारे मुख से.
नहीं नहीं, मेरे मम्मा पापा और मेरे भाई ने सभी ने
हम्म.
मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट किया। उन्होंने मेरे को जो इमोशनल सपोर्ट जो मुझे चाहिए था वो प्रोवाइड किया। क्योंकि
हम्म.
एक बार बहुत ऐसा होता था कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम, बहुत डिफिकल्ट मॉक टेस्ट हो गया, या फिर मेरा रैंक इतना अच्छा नहीं आया, या दूसरों का बहुत अच्छा स्कोर आ रहा है और मेरा अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, जबकि मैंने बहुत मेहनत।
हम्म.
तो वो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत डीमोटिवेट करता था। तो वो हमेशा मेरे को एक ही चीज समझाते थे कि हर दिन तुम्हारा दिन हो ये जरूरी नहीं है, बट इस कारण तुम मेहनत करना बंद कर दो ये भी सही नहीं है। तो
हम्म.
वो इमोशनल सपोर्ट का फैक्टर जरूर रहा, और जो भी मैंने कहा कि मेरे को ऐसा ऐसा करना है, उन्होंने मेरे को वो करने दिया कि मेरे को ये पढ़ना है, ये फिलहाल नहीं पढ़ना। तो उनकी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर नहीं आया, और मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट वही था।
अच्छा. और कोई फैमिली बैकग्राउंड है जो लॉयर्स है जिनसे थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिला उनको देख के?
मेरे पैटर्नल अंकल हैं, वो लॉयर हैं,
हम्म.
लेकिन ऐसे इमीडिएट फैमिली में और कोई ऐसा खास लॉयर नहीं है।
अच्छा. अब तो एग्जाम हो गया, तुम लाइक बोर्ड एग्जाम्स तो लाइक 2026 में है ना तुम्हारा, सीबीएसई से
हाँ जी सर।
कमिंग ईयर? हाँ. सो बट अभी लाइक आफ्टर दिस एग्जाम विल appear for the counseling. So most important question is which institute you are dreaming of to join?
सॉरी सर, कुड यू प्लीज कम अगेन?
Which institutes you are dreaming of to join?
Sir, it would definitely be Bangalore NLSIU, because it's the
Mm-hmm.
topmost law college of India.
Right.
So everyone dreams to be there. So why not NLSIU?
And any field you have in your mind, corporate lawyer, criminal, any field you have in your mind, you want to see
Corporate lawyer.
yourself?
Corporate lawyer.
Corporate lawyer.
Yeah.
ओके. ओके. नाउ गीता जी, मैं ये पूछूंगा कि बहुत मैंने स्टोरी भी तुम्हारे ऊपर पढ़ा कि लाइक यू आर नॉट फैमिलियर विद सोशल मीडिया. सोशल मीडिया को आप कैसे देखते हो? इवन बहुत स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत टीचर्स बोलते हैं कि पढ़ाई में सोशल मीडिया का बहुत एक रीजन है. फॉर द रीजन स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गेटिंग अटेंटिव ऑन द एजुकेशन और स्टडी. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड हाउ यू टेक सोशल मीडिया?
सर मैं लगभग मिड ईयर तक मैं सोशल मीडिया पे थी, आई वोंट लाई अबाउट दैट। बट उसके बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, अब थोड़ा सा मेरे को अपना ध्यान ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा क्लैट की तरफ, वरना आई वुडंट बी एबल टू क्रैक इट। और मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म गोल फ्लैट होना चाहिए, उसके बाद भी सोशल मीडिया चल चल सकता है, सोशल
राइट।
मीडिया नहीं भाग रहा। तो मैंने पहले अपना टाइम को रिड्यूस करने की कोशिश की, अपना स्क्रीन टाइम को। और उसके बाद जब आई रियलाइज कि ठीक है, अब मेरे को सोशल मीडिया में वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैंने अल्टीमेटली अपना अकाउंट डीएक्टिवेट कर दिया। और मैंने कहा कि अब बस अकाउंट को देखना भी नहीं है, अपना इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह सब कुछ बंद रखना है, ऐप की तरफ ही नहीं देखना है कि वापस से वहां जाने का मन भी ना करे। सो दिस वे आई गॉट ऑफ द इंटरनेट काफी टाइम के लिए। हालांकि लास्ट के दिनों में पेपर से पहले मैं थोड़ा बहुत इंस्टाग्राम या सोशल मीडिया चेक करती रहती थी, लेकिन वो भी एक बहुत सीरियस लेवल पे नहीं था कि आज वो मेरे को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दे मेरी गोल से।
पढ़ाई तो हो गया, मतलब 8 to 10 hours ऑफ स्टडी, एम गोल इन लाइफ, बट इंसान तो एंटरटेन भी करते हैं। तो गीताली कैसे एंटरटेन करते हैं खुद को?
सर मेरे को गाने सुनना बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं गाने सुनती थी या फिर मैं मेरे दोस्तों
आपने धुरंधर के गाने सुना, डांस भी किए?
यस यस। तो बस यही था कि गाने सुन लिए, दोस्तों
हम्म।
से बात कर ली, मतलब रियल लाइफ में जो चीजें हो रही हैं उनके साथ ज्यादा कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश की। जैसे बाहर घूमने चले गए, दोस्तों से बात कर ली, पार्क में घूमने चले गए, वॉक पे चले गए, तो वो सब चीजें।
राइट। और बहुत प्रॉपर्स तो होते हैं, बहुत इंसान का होता है कि कोई एक फेस होता है, कोई एक कैरेक्टर होता है जिसको फॉलो करता है। तो ऐसे कोई इंडियन कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे कुछ है जो तुम मतलब यू फॉलो हिम और हर?
सो ऑलमोस्ट सारे के सारे लॉयर्स एंड जजेस इतने 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 बढ़िया है, इतने उनके मतलब और थ्रू आउट द ईयर इतनी सारी अच्छी जजमेंट्स आई हैं। तो हर एक जज, हर एक लॉयर जो भी इन्वॉल्व होता है, वो सारे रोल फिगर बन जाते हैं। टेकिंग वन नेम इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी।
ओके। और अभी जो इंडिया में जो अब तुम ऑब्वियसली यू विल एस्पायरिंग लॉयर, लीगल सिस्टम के ऊपर लाइक छोटी सी कुछ राय है तुम्हारा? कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं जस्टिस डिलेड, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इतना देर तक हमको एक केस में लगना पड़ता है। तो डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू से ऑन लीगल सिस्टम, जुडिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ दिस कंट्री?
सिरायत से कि मैं ऑन ग्राउंड वर्कर नहीं हूँ, तो मैं मेरा मेरे को
हम्म।
जो पता होगा वो दूसरों के ओपिनियंस होंगे, और ये बहुत ही ओपिनियन
राइट।
क्वेश्चन है। सो मेरा जब तक मेरे को रियलिटी नहीं पता, तो इसके ऊपर मेरा कमेंट
ठीक।
करना आई से कि अच्छा नहीं होगा।
Obviously, obviously, obviously. And last, Korean, give your advice for the CLAT aspirants.
जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंट, जो तुम्हारा मन करे वो करो, और याद रखना कि सब कुछ क्लैट क्लियर होने के बाद हो जाएगा। अभी अपने मेन गोल पे फोकस करो और शांति से पढ़ो। मैं कर सकती हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो।
Thanks a lot, Geetali, for interacting with us. Wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and I hope that you will also get a good marks in the upcoming CBSE exam. And again, we can have a like opportunity to interview you. Thanks a lot.
थैंक यू
All
सो
the
मच।
best, Geetali.
थैंक यू सो मच।